How to reset notification importance on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on scroll down to and click on developer option. So after click on developer option, scroll down and search reset notification importance from here. So you will see reset notification importance is here. So click on reset notification importance. So you will see reset notification importance is completed. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh home. So that's how you can reset notification importance on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.